At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My viewers and subscribers, I have a piece of video for drop. Mark Golden actually came out and he speak out. And una go hear what happened. And una go hear what Mark Golden are going to do. You see, we were all right all along. We were all right. Andrew Holness a claim victory like he win nothing. And he know saying thief up the election. He's a corrupt man, you know. He can't take losses, you know. You see the day when time Cliff Hughes announced and say PNP win. Achoo, you know. Achoo. Al Clarendon, PNP get that. But Andrew Holness couldn't bear. He couldn't bear it. He have running belly. He must come and thief up the election. But God will expose Andrew Holness. God yesterday will expose Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness. You have some people, no matter how I come over here and explain it to them, some people still not get it. People keep texting, you understand? And I said them not know and stuff like that. Listen, it's the way how the EOJ write it. It's a JLP 17, PNP 5, including 2. That means say a tie. That means a JLP win 7 and PNP win 7. You understand? And if you check it, across the whole of Jamaica, PNP get more votes. You see, when the people then go out and vote, PNP get the most vote. So PNP win, not dirty Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness a thief. You man in dirty MP people them. It is not right, man. It is unacceptable. You understand? If you deal with the thing fair and square. What kind of man you is, brother? Just because they want to hold down the country and then you look at people them and I agree not even see what go on. You look a fly batty girl them and a man them, they not even see what happen. Jaja, sometimes when I see them sitting here, I have to say, you see when we bloggers come out, I try help uno weather upon the ground, you know, because uno weather upon the ground now see a shit. Uno now say nothing. Nothing uno now say, uno no know nothing. Uno no try to do research to know what is happening. Uno no have no knowledge, uno no have no wisdom and no understanding. So when I see with bloggers that come out, it's not about no PNP and JLP. Well, when me come out, it's not about PNP and JLP. It's about Jamaica. We want changes in Jamaica. You understand? We want to get rid of corruption in Jamaica. We want Jamaica to be a better place. You understand me? So when Andrew Holness come out and I do all these things and I make, look, he come out. Uno think say if Andrew Holness win, Andrew Holness not gonna celebrate. And I say shower, knowing how Andrew stay. Because Andrew Holness heart, it a bother him because he knows say he thief it up. He might take claim victory. Because what EOJ put out, some articles not put out that. And the way or EOJ write it, I say, if you have understanding, and them win the marriage at the division across over Jamaica. A PNP get it. The vote, they see the people them will come in. This is when I understand how Andrew Holness claim victory. When the people then go out on Monday and vote, when they check it up, PNP get over 300,000, while Andrew Holness they are 280,000. So wait. So who are the winner? It is PNP. So I don't understand why and in shame like a dog, Andrew Holness are going to go away. What kind of example he must set? What kind of example Andrew Holness has set for our future children? Una sister that man if he come down and if he come down now. I resign, Andrew Holness for resign. He have the guts. He have the guts. And I said the labor right there. Them fool. Cliff Hughes no make no mistake. I wouldn't tell Cliff Hughes for do. Then reach out to Cliff Hughes and tell Cliff Hughes. Yeah, so if you hear it, and that Cliff Hughes do. Because we have been watching Cliff Hughes. You understand me? When it did a live stream, we watch it from start to finish. So when Cliff Hughes come out, at the truth, him did I tell Andrew Holness, in thief everything, in a chopper, in chop every blouse and skirting and things, and they go chop this, in chop the last election and thinking they go chop this local election. For a man where say it's not even general election, and we are in fret and a sweat. All other day when he do the press conference, he could even swallow good. The man under pressure. The man under pressure. because he knows Mark Golding is very good. He knows Mark Golding is good. He know that because majority of Mark Golding idea, he implement it. You understand? He implement it. And acknowledge Mark Golding. I saw him stay always a claim victory. But I say you Andrew Honest, you go straight down. I'm glad. Hey, so when me hear Mark Golding say he might take Andrew Honest to court and liars already look on it, me say that is it. Hey, I want to take in Mark Golding.
Discussion about who won the election. And sometimes who won is based on how you look at the results.
Right.
So in your mind, how do you justify a PNP win in this situation?
Okay, so it's a local government election. There are 14 local authorities in the country. One of them is the city municipality of Portmore, a very large local authority. And the other 13 are the municipal corporations, which are the parishes, including Kingston and St. Andrew, which is a single municipal corporation. So there are 14. We won 7. The JLP won 7.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear what Mark Golding just say? Wanna hear when just say? Him say JLP 17 and PNP 17. Wanna listen clearly. So when you see the article I run up and down like them a headless chicken, the one them will work for Andrew Honest, wanna no watch them because them a mix up and blend. Yeah? Take in more.
The 7 that we won include KSA-MC, the Kingston and St. Andrew, which is the prize. And we'll now have a PNP mayor of the KSA-MC. We won the city municipality of Portmore, and we won all the others to take us to 7. We won the popular vote across the country. What does the popular vote mean? It means that in Jamaica on Monday, over 21,000 people, more people voted for the PNP than the JLP.
Uno hear that? Uno hear that a while ago? So how Andrew Honest a claim victory and a little idiot him labor right them a run up and down like them a headless chicken. Hey, a PNP win. PNP win, my viewers and subscribers. Uno hear what the man say. So how them not check it by the vote? PNP win by voting. Remember, so then check everybody will come out. That's why if you go, so how comes them a come go and like say a JLP win? That's why you not see Andrew Honest come out and attack like that. Notice when him attack and he not happy, he not do the shower sign. Because he not happy, he knows he be rob up. And that them a try do. All Clarendon, we know see a PNP get that.
We won on Monday. We won the popular vote. That's a significant statistic as well. And we improved in 8 parishes or municipal corporations. The JLP only improved in 2, and in both of those, we are taking those 2 matters to court because they were very marginal. 7 votes in one instance in St. Thomas, 3 in one instance in Southborough. So Lando in St. Thomas and Southborough were very marginal losses, and there were some issues that we have identified that we think should give us a very good chance when the matter goes to court.
Could you expound on what some of those issues are?
I don't want to get into the details of those situations. Our lawyers have looked at those, at the matters there, and we don't just bring legal proceedings because it's a close outcome. It's based on what? So things to do with whether ballots were, the situation concerning certain ballots. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to get into the details of it.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, we're not fool around here. We know what is. Hey, you see, when time you have your third eye open, and when God give you wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, remember me telling you, are the best. It is the best. Remember me telling you, labor right them, they not have no sense, they not have no wisdom, they not have no understanding, and they not have no knowledge. I dope about them. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.